Stop overthinking this. Which one should you use in 2026, Claude AI or OpenAI? By end of this video, you will get to know which one you can choose it. I'm going to compare both the APIs, real code, same task, side by side, and you will understand which one is working better. Let's go. I'm Vamshi, full stack engineer, 18 years of experience in development. Last video, I gave you the 8-week developer plan for AI development and call both the APIs and get the result and compare both the outputs, code, and I give my own experience with X. No brand bias. Full code is in GitHub repo. Link is in description. Start it before start on it. Before we go into the code, we need to have two things. Two API keys. One OpenAI API key and another is Claude AI API key. Just go and get the keys. So I already opened the platform.openai and here is the key section. Just click on that and go and create one new secret. I already created and I copied. Just click on the create new key button and enter the name and use these credentials. Once it is created, copy the credentials and keep it secretly. And go to Claude AI API keys and just create the new key. Same way, OpenAI, same way as OpenAI. Just give the name and workspace and create it. Copy it. Never check into the API keys into GitHub. Just make sure you are using those environment variables. Let's go to the code. I'll show the code side by side. You can download the code from GitHub and you can start using it and star it before using it. I just opened side by side code for OpenAI and Claude. You can see that both are same code, like importing the OpenAI, importing Anthropic, loading, reading the API case, and specifying the model. And we are using Claude Sonnet 4.6 and GPT 4.1 and setting it. Just call that and get the response. And here I show you one more file, index.js. This has the prompts and calling functionality. Like you can see that basic call the APIs and get the response. Both we are calling the same prompt for both the APIs. You can see that system prompt for both the calls. Okay, let's run the code. It's calling that code and we got the Claude API code response and when we got the API response, it compared and gave the output. Let me copy this code to separate files and I copied the response to two separate files. One is OpenAI response and Claude response. I copied separately to compare and talk about that. See here, Claude response, we got a retrieval augmented generation, RAG, retrieve. When a user asks a question, the system searches the knowledge base, documents, database, etc. to find the most relevant information using the semantic or vector search argument. The retrieve information is added to the prompt, giving to the LLM up to the date specific context, and it wouldn't otherwise have from training alone. Generate. The LLM uses both the question and retrieved context to produce more accurate and grounded response, reducing the hallucination. Calling the Claude with system prompt. Claude. Retrieval. When a query is received, relevant documents chunks are fetched from the external knowledge base, VectorDB using the semantic search. Augmentation. The retrieved documents are injected into the LLM's prompt as additional context, grounding the response up to date and domain specific information. The generation. The LLM generates a response using both its retained knowledge and the retrieved context, reducing the hallucinations and enabling the answers beyond its training data. This is the Claude response, basic and response, and we can go to OpenAI and see that. OpenAI first one is we got similar RAG retrieval augmented generation is an AI technique that combines a language model like GPT retrieval system for it and fetches the relevant documents or data and process. When a given query, RAG retrieves the relevant external information, documents, and etc. And benefits. It is similar. The first one is similar. When it comes to a system prompt, you can see that OpenAI, its RAG, it says red, amber, green. A color code status reporting system used indicates the processor performance levels red, amber, and green. It doesn't give actual response what we mean because it is hallucinated and give that, where Claude is give the expected answer. I think you got understand which one we can use now for our daily purpose. There is no brand bias. It is just a comparison, both the APIs. And the code is in GitHub. You can use it and play with it, and you can start from today AI developer. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on next video. Starting from zero today, use Claude, better reasoning, large context window, more reliable instruction following context, and easy APIs. Claude and OpenAI both are not enemies. I'm using both of them in my production environment. Claude for in production environment, I use both Claude for primary reasoning task analysis, Claude for primary reasoning engine, OpenAI for their specific models and the specific tasks. Pick one and delivery something rather than comparison and benchmarks. So start from zero today and deliver something.